Let's be real, nobody is subscribing to your channel out of pity. Gone are the days when people just dey press subscribe because they like your hustle. In 2025, if your video no dey teach, inspire, entertain, or make person laugh or think, they will scroll past you like WhatsApp status they seen 3 times in a row. So today, I want us to have an honest conversation, not motivational speech, real gist. Let's talk about why your YouTube channels might not be growing as fast as you want and how to fix it without running mad. If you sit down and compare my first YouTube video to what I post right now, you go open mouth. The difference is like comparing pure water to cold zobo in champagne glass. Why? Because I kept learning. I didn't just post and pray. I went back to ask tough questions. Why am I not growing? What am I doing wrong? Is this video even worth watching? That's the first mindset shift. Stop blaming YouTube. Start refining you. Viewers no get your time like that. Everybody is busy. So if someone chooses to click your video, it's better you deliver sharp because if it doesn't, they will click out before you even say, hey guys, and the algorithm, it notices everything. The more people bounce, the more YouTube tells itself, this content no get power, no need to show it to others. That's how your video quietly dies inside YouTube's big ocean of content. So before you post your next video, ask yourself, is my title clear and interesting? Will my thumbnail make someone pause and say, wait, what is this? Is my intro strong enough to hook them in 10 seconds? If the answer is no, abeg, don't post yet. Go back to the lab and do this brutal test. Ask yourself this honest question. Imagine YouTube shows 4 videos side by side. Your own, one from your niche idol, one from a faceless channel with banger editing, and one random guy that just sabi package well. Be honest with yourself. Will you click your own thumbnail? Will your title win the click? Will your intro keep someone watching? If the answer is no, that's your cue to improve. Because YouTube is a competitive sport. Let's face it, if you can't even impress yourself, how you want to impress strangers? Here's what I did that really helped me. I made a list of the top creators in my niche. Even if they get 10 million subs, they are still my competitors. I studied their first 5 videos, their worst videos, and their viral ones. I was looking for one thing: patterns. What kind of topics get views? How did their thumbnails evolve? When did they start improving? What did they do that I'm not doing? Then I took notes, adjust my videos, and kept testing new things. That's how real growth start, by paying attention. YouTube no be luck. Yes, sometimes video go blow randomly, but most of the time it's strategy and value that actually win. If you post one helpful video every week for the next 6 months and you improve with each one, growth is inevitable. Your editing will get sharper, your talking style go improve, you will know how to keep people watching, and your audience will grow naturally. But if you post once a month in low energy with thumbnail that looks like it was designed during NEPA blackout, na prayer point your channel go turn to. So let me leave you with this. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 30, but also don't relax inside chapter 1 forever. Growth no happen by accident. It happens when you sit down and say, how can I make this better than last week? YouTube go want you, yes, but if you keep learning, showing up, and packaging your content like you are pitching Netflix, people will notice. So watch your own video and criticize it like a stranger. Test new titles and thumbnails. Study people that are winning. Keep creating even when views are slow, because the truth is nobody starts as a pro, but the ones who keep going, they become the pros. Drop a comment if you've ever watched your own video and said, God, what is this? Let's gist about it. And if you want me to do a full breakdown of how I studied my niche leaders to grow, just type teach me in the comments and I will hook you up. Catch you in the next one. Keep creating with sense. Peace out.